How to change language in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, simply what you need to do is scroll down and tap on settings. And as you tap on settings, you can see the option of app language as the very first option over here. So let's tap on it. Now you can see there are different options for the languages that you can change into. So I'm gonna simply select on Filipino for now and then tap on OK. So it just starts to change the language for the Google Maps over here. So you just have to be a little patient until it changes the language. So you just have to wait for a few more seconds, and now it has started to load. So let's wait, and there you go, the language has been changed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.